So I was checking out a really short clip from WFLA.com, Florida. Oh man, these people kill me, dude. You're doing 80 miles an hour on a 50. I hope you get pulled. Sorry about that. Anyway, WFLA put out like a 46-second clip there a moment ago. I'm on my way to my lovely new dream job that I landed, praise God. But they got people in Florida got an emergency alert at 4:46 this morning on their phones, and they were like, stunned. The news people were kind of stunned about it, like, why did we get something like this? And one of them looked into it, and it said that they're going to be scheduled for every other month. And the way that they made it seem was that it had always been going on like that. So it's definitely one of those Mandela things, like they're trying to program something into your brain. And what I think is, it's probably just, how they're always like, man, just trying to instill, fear and anxiety into people nowadays, ever since they flipped the switch publicly in 2020, but actually in 2019. But ever since then, they've been just trying to create as much anxiety as they can. I think, just to keep people living in fear. So now, for whatever reason, and I don't know who put out the emergency alert, but it wasn't nationwide, because obviously I didn't get it, and I'm in Tennessee now, and I haven't seen anything from any other news stations. But they said everybody in Florida got it. So who established it? Who put it out? Was it Florida officials, or was it national officials who only put it out to Florida? Did any other states has anyone else heard of it? Anybody else? Did you get an emergency alert go off on your phone and wake you up at 4:46 a.m.? I just think it's another one of those fear-based things. That's what they're trying to, continue to do to people nowadays, is keep people living in fear and living with anxiety. So I just thought that was pretty crazy. There was nothing that went along with it other than when the alert went off, like an Amber Alert or something like that. It didn't say Amber Alert. It just said it was an emergency broadcast test alert, and that it was going to be happening every 60 days. So just, heads up on that. And I've been full of rambling this morning. I guess I don't have enough coffee yet, but I'm not going to be able to make a lot of videos here for the next little bit. It's feast or famine right now. I guess I took the winter off almost as far as work goes. I just more or less hibernated, is the way I'm looking back at it now. Like I was rested up for what was to come, because now I'm working my butt off, but it's good. I'm enjoying all of it. So I'll try to keep in touch, and much love, and thank you to all the new subs. I appreciate you so much. Maybe one of these days I'll make it to 1,000. I'm almost at the 700 mark. I checked it yesterday. I got 696 subs now. So thank you so much to everybody new who's subbed to me here in the last few months. I appreciate you a lot. Like I say, I'll try to do my best to put out content when I can, but right now I got a whole lot going on. So I'll talk to you soon. Much love.